Another day, another time, Roblox is ruining its game. So if you saw my last one of my other videos where I played Blood Engine, it got taken down. As you can see, you cannot find it anywhere. This is pretty dumb in my opinion due to Mortem. Well, this is not Mortem, but, Mortem has blood, and it hasn't been taken down, but it has an option for blood. But, in another case scenario, we have Phantom Forces. It has blood in it. Let me... As you can see, I don't think this is very fair to the devs that made this game and the people that spent money on it. And bruh, are you serious, Roblox? Almost every game has blood. I've even made a game that has blood, but they only if you're like, what is wrong with that? It's not really fair to any of the devs that made the game. They were hardworking, and I think they can get a second chance. There's one way they can get back the game, as long as they just, I guess, add, a thing that makes it so you can enable it. But games like Blood and Iron, I can't remember if Blood and Iron has blood in it, but I think it does. Why, Roblox? Just why? Anyways, this was just to make a short video on the events that have happened over the past few days. Well, not days, really. It was just a couple hours ago, but seriously. Alright, see you next video. Peace out. Oh.